movies are bhai top 4 confirm ho gaya. Rajasthan Royals have made it to the top 4. They will be playing the Sunrisers Hyderabad in Mullapur on Wednesday in the eliminator. It was one-man army today. Jofra Archer carrying Rajasthan Royals to the playoffs. Incredible innings with the bat, took them to 200, and then with the ball, 3 for 17, going under 5 runs in over, 4.5 runs in over. What a performance from him! Rehan Parag will take the plaudits. He will take the praise and everything. But it is that man, Jofra Archer, taking them into the playoffs. For Mumbai Indians, it's been a poor season. They will be finishing 9th place. Or Punjab Kings officially out ho gaye yaar. It was in their hands. They could have won a game and thing, but they made sure that they couldn't dictate what happened on the last day because they had an awful run. And despite winning yesterday, Punjab Kings have been knocked out. They have been sent packing. They will not make it to the playoffs this time. The finalists of last season will not be in the playoffs. It will just be RCB there. Otherwise, it's a very different thing. I think RCB and GT are the two teams who were in the playoffs last time. They will be joined by two new teams this year, which is SRH and Rajasthan Royals. Faiz joining me as well. Faiz, you were very adamant that Punjab will go through, and it was very close till the end. But I wouldn't even say Jofra's innings. I would just say that Jofra last over that he bowled, getting the wicket of Hardik and then Surya slowing down, just completely changed the game.
Yeah, I mean that's again a testament to the pura season जो Mumbai Indians का हुआ है. They have not been able to calculate their movements and risks. It's been a very bad season. आप अगर ऊपर से लेके नीचे बैटिंग को ही ज़्यादा blame कर सकते हो कि भाई they have not कलेक्टिव फेलियर है. एंड लाइक यू सेड कैप्टन का भी ब्लेम है. खाली सीनियर फिगर जो प्लेयर टीम है. बट जोफ्रा आर्चर तो देखिए आगे 32 मारा भाई 15 बॉल में. दैट चेंज द एंटायर मोमेंटम एंड दे वर इन अ गुड रिदम भाई. 131 for 5 which they Donovan Ferreira भी चले गए थे. They lost 6 wickets. Then Jadeja also came in, put up a handy bit of a thing. No ball हो गया था शार्दुल का. और हमारे को तो लगा भाई 150 के 170 के अंदर आउट हो जाएंगे एंड दिस विल बी अ केक वॉक. बट 200 became risky. Shout out alongside Archer even Yashraj Punja. I mean he bowled a very good spell, a lot of drop catches, but the regular intervals of wicket by Brijesh का या जैसा mention करे Archer का, these guys man जबरदस्त pressure apply करे. They didn't let any kind of confidence slip. Surya Kumar Yadav getting a 50, हार्दिक आके 30 of 9 हो गए थे, but फिर भी managing to make it into the eliminator and eliminating the likes of Punjab and KKR. Now this officially the game DC and KKR become dead rubber. Kolkata also eliminated, so now you have your top 4 like you mentioned. But Rajasthan now, I mean in the eliminator, Suryavanshi, Jaiswal will tie their shoelaces and come up against us.
Yeah, I mean it's going to be an exciting encounter. Like अब देखो जब एलिमिनेटर में आते हैं भाई कोई भी डेंजरस हो सकता है. सनराइज भी डेंजरस हो सकती है, राजस्थान भी डेंजरस हो सकती है. बट या मैन लाइक जितना मैं आर्चर की तारीफ करूं बहुत कम है बिकॉज़ उन्हें आज तो नहीं जिताया. लाइक राजस्थान बिगड़ गई थी. लाइक सूर्यवंशी भी आज नहीं चला, जायसवाल भी नहीं चला, जुरेल तो लाइक स्लोली चलता है जैसा आपको पता है. बट इट वाज हिज इनिंग्स एंड देन हिज स्पेल ओवर देयर. But yeah, for Mumbai Indians, we can talk about it. We can just briefly talk. But again, a very disappointing game. They had a good start in the power play with the ball, and then with the bat, Hardik Pandya and Surya Kumar Yadav twisted things, and Will Jacks had a good partnership. Then Hardik Pandya came 59 of 30 with Surya and Hardik at the crease. Should be winning this game.
And that is where you have to blame Hardik. Why go against Archer? Is it could I just 22 balls, take it up against Punjab, which you were doing when you came, you were batting well against those guys, right? Archer को आप छोड़ देते हैं, जैसे बुमराह को छोड़ देते हैं लोग usually, not maybe this season, but in other season we see Jofra Archer को like आप light ले लेते 2 ball है ना, आप उसके बाद you would have continued on your chase, but you would try to go for a shot and getting out, adding pressure. Shardul Thakur can bat, we know, but then Surya also इतने balls consume करा. He ended up getting pressurized. I know Hardik will also pressure because of Surya. 57 of 37 balls. It's always going to be a difficult. I think 50 runs now has become aam khas, but yeah, when Hardik gets out, the guy who's accelerating, it makes it a lot of tough, and that's again you'd have to blame Hardik for that shot.
Yeah, 100%. And Surya Kumar Yadav also, he got runs but did not effective again. And this season it's been like that. Jab bhi usse run mara, he's not getting at the rate that is required. I saw him like when it was 50 required of 19 or 20, he's taking singles. Like it was just I didn't understand what he was trying to do. And when you know that you're the main man, you're giving Shardul Thakur the strike. No offense to Shardul Thakur, but Surya is set. He's played 40 deliveries. He should be taking more responsibility. It's been a horrible season for him, even though he got a 50 today. It's been a horrible season for him. And like you've mentioned, it is a collective failure from top to bottom. This they've had a very poor season, and if there's any team that you have to criticize the most, it is Mumbai Indians, because you've invested so much into this team. The scouting system has invested so much. They've had an excellent auction. You have top, the top brass of the Indian cricket playing for you. You have the top brass sitting in the management. I've seen Sachin Tendulkar at times also inside the dugout. So the who's who is in the Mumbai Indians. आपकी crowd भी elite आती है, और like जो general public जो support करती है मुंबई को, they still come and fill the stands. आज भी full था. 20-30 हजार students came today as well. It was good to see. But like if you're gonna perform like that, obviously they have to have a hard thing. I understand it's a game, you win and lose, but I think Mumbai Indians will be very disappointed. It's a big failure for them. For me, like obviously Lucknow came 10th, and we will criticize them later in our review. But at the same time, Mumbai Indians will be extremely disappointed.
Through the season we देख रहा हूँ भाई, like every game that Mumbai was playing, हम still उनको back कर रहे थे because of the size of the squad that they have, the depth that they have. हर चीज का जगह competition है, हर change के लिए एक change क्या दो changes आपके पास है, and हम अभी भी उसको बोलते हैं कि भाई ये मैच जीतेंगे वो मैच जीतेंगे, but they didn't up the ante. कोई performances में नहीं दिखे. And yes, Hardik Pandya has been a major factor, but also like Rohit Sharma के बारे में opening slot में Rickleton has done more than him. I think QTK has done more than him. I understand he's been injured for 4 to 5 games. He's not fielding anymore because of the hamstring injury. He has failed 27 World Cup. There were things for him as well that like we do fail to understand कि शायद वो pressure भी उनके ऊपर था कि भाई he has to keep himself fit for the 27 World Cup. साथ ही साथ अगर अभी तो तिलक बनाए runs, but again not at what you would expect after 3-4 seasons at Mumbai Indians. He also would be right now one of the go-to guys for a chase like this. Hardik का shot, Surya का shot, Mitch Santner आपके पास है, आपके पास Corbin Bosch आ गए थे. वो उनका जीतने का मंत्रा नहीं था, but yes, Jasprit Bumrah also will be criticized, not even in the contention. I don't know if he got wickets in double digits also this year. साथ ही साथ economy उनकी सबसे lowest, and we understand season can get bad, but yeah, with a team like that, we were always backing Mumbai Indians to make at least top 6. If not top like 4, top 6. हम तो दोनों top 4 में रखे थे उनको, but horrendous season, and 3 season मुस्तफा हार्दिक पांड्या के 1 call, but you still haven't felt like elite championship mentality.
Yeah, it's not at all. It's been a failure. I think 3 साल में अगर आप एक बार 9th आएंगे, एक बार 7th आएंगे, पर एक ही बार qualify आएंगे, because आपकी टीम भी ऐसी है कि आप like top 4 नहीं top 2 की टीम है, तो like obviously not coming to the finals in the last 3 years, and also getting eliminated so early. The first year we got eliminated this season is not acceptable after spending that much money, after putting so much effort into the team, and making the big call of getting him. Obviously it's failed. Now we'll see what happens aage jaake, whether he'll stay as captain or whether he'll stay in the franchise as a non-captain, or will he leave the franchise. Only time will tell, but they will have to make some calls. Whether it's taking out Rohit and Surya or it's taking out Hardik, they'll have to change it up, and they'll have to do it fast, because I know you can wait one more year, but if you get 1 more year of this, I don't think it's going to be acceptable. They won't be able to accept that. And Mumbai, at the end of the day, it's still associated with Mumbai cricket. Mumbai Indians is a franchise, but it's still associated because you have Rohit Sharma there, you have Surya Kumar Yadav there, you've got a Shardul Thakur there, so it's still associated somewhat as Mumbai cricket. They take pride in their cricket, right? Mumbai fans and the people supporting them. Lekin it is what it is. Punjab Kings will be extremely disappointed. They'll be heartbroken. Some fans will blame Surya Kumar Yadav. At the end of the day, it was also in their hands. आप 6 मैच लगातार हार गए वहां पे. इट्स बिन आई थिंक ऑब्वियसली कैप्टन को भी अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी वहां पे, आपके प्लेयरों को लेनी पड़ेगी ना, आपकी बॉलिंग को भी लेनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज बॉलिंग मेरे हिसाब से कल भी आप जो मैच जीते 190 खा के जीते, तो द बॉलिंग गिव नो रिस्पेक्ट टू द बैट्समैन.
या नो रिस्पेक्ट टू द बैट्समैन. सीनियर बॉलर्स हैं, वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग बॉलर्स हैं, अर्शदीप आपके पास, यानसेन है आपके पास, who just done amazing through that 25 year as well, and when they are leaking 40-50 runs on an average, it gets a little bit thing. आपके पास rotations भी यार, वैशाख को आप एकदम से बिठा दिए एक मैच को रख खेले, जब Dwarshits को भी you tried everything, but again I think the matchups weren't very well calculated. You didn't look at the opposition's strengths and weaknesses. Maybe there was a little bit of under preparation in terms of the bowling rather than the batting पे देखा प्रियांश आर्य और प्रभसिमरन पे ज़्यादा डिपेंडेबिलिटी है. You said that going in, और जब नहीं चले वो लोग दोनों को ज़्यादा बुरा दिख के आ रहा था. Stoinis has been hot and cold in season as well, so there is a requirement I think in the middle order. Nehal Vadera failed for them a lot. Runs नहीं आ रहे थे. Shadegate did better in coming, but yes, again for Punjab Kings, who were expecting them in the top 4 maybe with ease because of 6 starts, एकदम आप 6 मैच अगर जीतोगे, that is a bold statement, and ending up with 7 defeats on the trot and managing that last victory last night, but you're always going to be dependable. It's not going to be easy.
Yeah, and I think when we were doing the predictions and everything, there is a bit of a shock. Like for some, I don't think many people had Gujarat in the top four.
Yes.
Many people didn't have Rajasthan top four. Many people didn't have Sunrisers in the top four as well. So I think those are shocks. RCB, I think we didn't have, but like everybody else probably had them in
Yeah.
the top four. So apart from RCB, it's pretty shocked. Like we had CSK. I think Mumbai Indians obviously. And Delhi Capitals also had a very good shot with the team that they had. So I think it's good that we got a few surprises. Going in now into the playoffs, eliminator is Rajasthan Royals, Sunrisers Hyderabad. It's an exciting game, two aggressive teams.
Yeah, 100%. Right? Like credit to Rajasthan, they managed to get to the playoff with this team. In terms of if you put it across the 10 teams, they'll probably look very weak, right? They don't look like the strongest. You didn't know what Suryavanshi was going to bring to the table at the beginning of the start. And credit to Suryavanshi, by like we have to applaud him, celebrate him. Every team I think should celebrate this kid. 15 साल की उम्र में in contention of an orange cap with the likes of Virat Kohli and these guys. साथ ही साथ जो उसकी डिपेंडेबिलिटी वो एज में है, जयसवाल पे उतनी डिपेंडेबिलिटी नहीं थी, सूर्यवंशी पे है. रयान पराग and Dhruv Jurel, that middle ground is a little place where Sunrisers will probably look to attack them. Sunrisers obviously doing very well this season. We're very happy the transformation that we made during the season as well, and also the responsibility जो हमारा style of play हम वो maintain करते गए, हम कहीं भी change नहीं करे उसको. And I think that's what we look at eliminator. Now the matchup again is Jofra Archer, Travis Head, Abhishek Sharma. These are the things that we'll have to look at. But our bowling has improved. You mentioned Shakib Hussain a lot. अब देखना है मुल्लापुर की कौन सी विकेट मिलती है. Will it be the wicket हम 250 मारे? Will it be the slower one? This will be very interesting, knowing that now the wickets are a little bit more drier. What the weather will be like. So yeah, that'll be a very crucial game for us.
Yeah, so Punjab will not be playing a home eliminator or home playoff. It will be Rajasthan Royals with Sunrisers. It will be a neutral thing. This was also the same fixture in 2024.
Yes.
And I think that was in Ahmedabad.
That was not Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad.
It was in Ahmedabad, I think. So we'll have a repeat of that, and that's what we're going to see in 2026. It's going to be the same thing. And then we have Gujarat versus RCB. That's on Tuesday. So tomorrow, join us. We will be previewing that. And looking at that game as well. That's going to be a massive game. Virat Kohli versus Shubman Gill, the King versus the Prince. That's also beautifully set up. There is a narrative story to that.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be an exciting playoffs. Hopefully, we are done now. Congratulations, we have done with the group stages. We've done.
I mean, there's a match going. There will be a match.
Yeah.
But
what has been how many games? It's been 18, 19?
Like 70.
70, and this was our last double header as well. Thank you everybody for joining us. We still keep the content flowing because it is going to be a big week. So even when there are no matches, we'll have content coming for you. Thank you, Faiz. Thank you everybody, and catch you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.